Madeira. At first glance, a bright and colorful paradise in the middle of the Atlantic. But it has a dark side. A mysterious ocean full of surprises. So be careful. You might fall in love with it.
There's always a little bit wrong on the other side of right. We become blinded and drawn like a moth to a light. It's a desert oasis, a shadow box fight. There's always a little bit wrong on the other side of right. No. Souls bury something inside, and all of these secrets untold become scars that we hide.